So now what? You're talking horse stuff here.
I know it. This is the gelding barn, which means all the boys are in this barn.
Imagine this would be where you would come, where all the boys are. Any carrots? Know where I can find a sugar cube?
Hi, hi. Hi, baby.
He was a Civil War reenactment horse.
Yeah.
A what jumper? Hunter jumper.
You would hunt and then
Got
jump
it,
over
and then
stuff.
jump. He hunts and jumps.
So, and you were saying one pulled the carriage in New York City.
This one. Ow. Ow. They're big. Look, all heads are in the stall and everyone's been fed.
Weird.
Yeah.
You guys are intact.
Tickets to Frog Fest. Let me help you with that. Are you rolling?
Ramming speed. Ah, good job.
Oh my God. Are you cleaning?
Oh, you're gonna need a bigger wheelbarrow for in here.
Holy cow.
No horse.
As I hang on. Oh crap.
And missed. Unbelievable. Now you gotta pick it up by hand.
No. All right. Inspection.
And put it back. Do it again.
And wait.
Yeah, it's not good enough.
What are you doing?
That's a talking horse there. What is she doing?
Oh, but I don't want to pet her. Oh my gosh, women are a little. No! I know. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go somewhere else. Yeah, I think you're trying to drive you crazy.
Kiss me. Do it. So this is it? This is the horse you're gonna bring out?
Yeah, you ready?
How tall is he?
Sonny? I'm bringing Sonny out.
Okay. I hope you can handle him.
Me too.
Well, wait a minute.
Okay, I think this is supposed to go over here.
Hey, good job. A fierce beast. You did awesome.
So, real horse this time, huh?
Now these are pretty old, so they're kind of skinny. They're hard to get weight on.
This is the Civil War reenactor.
Yep.
Cisco.
And walking down the ramp, when she gets to the bottom of the ramp, you just unhook her and step up. Right there is good.
Wow. It's like being at the dirt track.
When you get down the bottom of the ramp, she's going to run. Okay. Let her go. Perfect. There she goes. Perfect.
Did you hear that? Perfect.
That is funny.